How to use Deepseek for translation. Now, this Deepseek model can be used for translation through its official chat interface. And what you need is, first thing first, you want to access the DeepSeek website first of all, or you could use the app version of it. If you're using app, you want to install it first thing, create an account, and after which you could open up, and then you'll be taken to the chat page. In the chat interface, you just need to write or paste in the text that you want to translate. So, for example, I'm just gonna go ahead and type in this is the one. And next, as per the prompt, I'm gonna go ahead and add in a bracket, and I'm gonna type in to which language I want it to be translated, and close in the bracket. Now click the arrow icon. It's gonna take, or it's gonna actually or take a while, and this way you'll be able to use DeepSeek for translation. So do the same thing with the rest of the other documents or folder that you have in order to translate. If you want to upload any sort of file, you click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and go ahead and select whether it's document, photo, image, whatever that is, and this way you could help with the translation. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.